Back speaking with Ben Dunn this morning on JustStocks from Intra Energy. Ben, morning.
Good morning, Andrew.
Good to catch up, Ben. Results back this week here. These are the final results from geochem sampling at Maggie Hays Hill. Throwing up two quite juicy new lithium anomalies. Ben, tell us a bit more.
Yes, Andrew. Juicy is a great description, isn't it? So we had done, as we talked about earlier in previous conversations, we acquired this back in January, the middle of January. We then embarked upon a really aggressive campaign to find what this asset, what this license holds. We've identified some gold, and we've identified some lithium. We did a tenement-wide soil sampling program, 1,500 samples. We got the first 750 back sort of about a month ago, and we've been reporting on that. Steady flow of great news, good news, solid news there, supporting our work that we're doing. We got the final second half, the final 750 samples, and that just blew us away. I mean, we've identified two, as you said, juicy trends there. One's 2.5 kilometers long by 300 meters wide. The other's about 1,300 meters long by 300 meters wide, laden with lithium, caesium, tantalum, all the pathfinder elements that you're looking for when you're exploring in these areas and looking for lithium. So we're very, very happy with the work that Todd Hibbard, our principal geologist, is doing. Hit the nail on the head. We've worked it aggressively, and I think that we've got something really interesting there for our shareholders and interested stakeholders.
And Ben, so in terms of next steps here, just give us a quick reminder of your drill plans.
Yeah, so we've now submitted a permit of works. We're in the process of submitting a permit of works. That's effectively, colloquially, your drill permit. We're working with the local Indigenous groups to get the heritage survey, and we're hoping to have all that done in the very near future. We're getting great engagement, and we're grateful for the engagement we're getting from all interested stakeholders. And as we've said, we're really, fingers crossed, hoping to be drilling by the end of May or early June, which would then, if we can do that, that gives us the assays back in July, and hopefully the sky's the limit from there.
And we did mention, Ben, last time, but MinRes, Mineral Resources, they've now confirmed a processing hub will be on site just less than 15 kilometers from these anomalies.
Andrew, there's an old saying out there, isn't there? I'd rather be lucky than good. And we think we've lucked into that one. If we've got lithium, and we're pretty confident that we do, we're within 12 to 15 kilometers of a processing hub. And I think that, as we firm up our exploration there and prove what we believe to be in the ground, that we become very interesting to a number of people. I mean, it's a tier 1 jurisdiction. We've got MinRes building out their processing hub. You've got Rio Tinto working on the Charger project nearby. TG Metals have had some fantastic exploration, again, just to our south. It's a tier 1 jurisdiction. We're very, very pleased with the exploration and how it's proceeding, and we've done it in a very short period of time.
And Ben, just finally, in terms of near-term news, still some outstanding assays we're waiting on.
Yeah, we've got some rock chips to come back, and Todd Hibbard's on a well-earned break this week, but as soon as he gets back, he'll be back in the field, and I'm sure that there'll be more news coming out of that. But I think that, fingers crossed, these rock chip assays should be, we're hoping that they're a game changer. But look, we've identified two new, really large-scale lithium anomalies, and these are going to be fantastic drill targets for us, and we're working towards that. So very exciting times ahead for IEC shareholders.
Yeah, good to see you, Ben. Thanks for your time on JustStocks.
Thank you very much, Andrew. Great to see you.